Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of number 189 using repeated division or prime factorization. To find the prime factors of 189, we'll divide 189 using prime numbers. So let's divide 189. As 189 is an odd number, it is easily divisible by number 3. 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 3 is 9. Again we can divide by 3, 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 7, 7 times 1 is 7. So now the number is fully divided. Let's write 189 as the product of its prime factors, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 1. Or in the index form or exponent form, we can write 189 as 3 raised to power 3. As there are 3 3's, we can write it as 3 cube times 7. These are the prime factors of 189. Thanks for watching.